The I Can Fly reading program is for young students who are just learning to read. Since it's based on the Orton-Gillingham approach, it's perfect for those who struggle with reading, including those needing speech therapy, those with dyslexia, or other learning difficulties. In your teacher tools, you'll have instructions along with lesson tips to guide you as you teach. Here you'll have access to the flashcards, the lesson slides, and the letter tiles. To teach a lesson, first review the flashcards from prior lessons. This is an important part of the program to help your student remember the sounds and rules that were taught. Next, give the lesson using the lesson-based workbooks. Or, if you're using the premium app, use the lesson slides. There are over 1,000 slides to walk you through the teaching process. It will provide explicit instruction, done in a manner to foster participation. This is perfect for teaching to a classroom or teaching remotely. Next, use the letter tile tool to tailor your lesson for your students. The letter tile tool contains sound charts which sequentially follows the program. All sounds are accompanied by audio, which can be turned off if needed. After the lesson, your students should play the activities for the lesson just taught, as well as for prior lessons where extra attention is needed. The activities include sound identification, decoding words, spelling, and completing sentences.
Correct.
As your students answer questions correctly, they'll earn coins, which can be spent in the fun zone, where they can play arcade games, create a train layout with a working train, create a farm, and buy food to feed their farm animals. While your students do the activities for the lesson, you can spend time with students in need of individual attention. From your dashboard, you can see how your students answered the questions, right down to the details. Our web apps can play on any device that supports a browser, so your student can use a laptop, iPad, a Chromebook, or even a smartphone. Easy to use, effective, and fun, your students will love this program.